yourself, Ma?
Why you ask so many questions?
Why you close yourself?
Why you ask so many questions?
Ma, coming on your hair, Ma?
Yeah, why?
Right here.
Mhm.
Right, Mommy.
Because I wanted to. Why you ask so many questions?
Cause you want to.
Yeah, 'cause I want to.
You a big girl, Ma?
Yeah.
Okay.
You a big girl?
Mhm.
Put your shirt down.
Don't show me.
Excuse me? Who you talking to? What's funny?
Nobody.
Mhm. Love you. Love you. I said I love you. I don't think it's funny. Stop! Alright, I'm gonna go on the floor. Tell me, I love you. I love you.
No.
What?
I'm